friends, today we will complete pages 8 and 9 in your math workbook. So get your crayon box and your pencil and open up to page 8 and 9 and hit the pause button if Mrs. Shimmy is going too fast. So let's take a look at page 8. Number 3, it says to make a big triangle. So Mrs. Shimmy is going to try to make the biggest triangle she can in this box and stay in the box. She has to make a small triangle. Okay, big triangle, small triangle. So again, you can use whatever crayons you want for this. Mrs. Shimmy is going to use red next. Small rectangle. So again, I'm going to make a small rectangle. And a rectangle is longer on two of the sides. And next it says make a big rectangle. Mrs. Shimmy is going to try to make the biggest rectangle that she can. There's Mr. Stepnick again.
And Mrs. Mill. They all head down to buses. Speranza, Stoughton, Whiteford, Mill.
Okay, next we have a hexagon. And again, I'm going to pick a different color just for fun. Make a green hexagon. All right, hexagons are a little hard to make. It says to make a big hexagon. If we look over here on, this is a hexagon over here on the right. So a hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, it's flat on the top and the bottom. Okay, so, and then the other sides, we just point and point, point and point, and that's a big hexagon. Now here I have to make a small hexagon. So again, I'm going to start by making 2 lines about the same size, one at the top and one at the bottom, but I'm making them smaller. And then I'm just going to go point to each of them. Again, it's hard. Okay, so that's how we make a big hexagon and a small hexagon. So now let's look at page 9. And let me erase that. And let's follow the directions. Color the squares red. So let's get your red crayon and find all the squares red. So let's take a look. Squares are red. So where are the squares? So I see one big square right in the middle there. Okay, so now we need to color that in red. Okay, now we have little squares at the bottom, and they're so small. A lot of little squares at the bottom, and you have to be careful between a rectangle and a square. The squares are the same size on all of the 4 sides, and our rectangles are a little bit longer. So I think that's it for the squares. And then we had color the rectangles green. So let's get our green crayon now.
Mrs. Yates, Mrs. Landers, Ms.
And we're looking for the rectangles. And remember, the rectangles are longer on 2 of the sides. They're long. Okay. All these long hexagons here, or rectangles, I'm sorry. Okay, and next it says color the circles yellow. So let's get your yellow crayon. Okay, we're looking for the circles. Okay, color the triangles blue. So now I'm going to get my blue crayon. Finding the triangles. Okay. And now it says color the hexagons brown. So let's get our brown to color those hexagons. And it looks like I gotta try to find brown. Okay, there we go. Brown. So let's get those hexagons. These little hexagons. Okay. So I hope you took your time and did a nice, neat job, and you can take a picture and submit it on Seesaw. Thank you.